As the total value of all cryptocurrencies tries to break out and hit about $1 trillion, I hope you're having a good time. There is a lot of price movement in the markets, and there is a lot of activity on the XRP ledger. XRP is trying to break through resistance at around dollar to dollar, while USDT is trying to return to its dollar peg. With the highly anticipated release of Ripple stablecoin and Rust, many whales are buying and snatching up XRP. Can we talk about the buyback that SBI Japan announced and is currently talking about? Many of you probably missed it. Can we talk about whether XRP will reach dollar? I think we can, but we need to go over a few things again. We don't have much time, so let's jump right into a Bitcoin worth dollar. The price of Ethereum has gone up % in the last day. It's now up %. A mean lean of dollar leads the charge and sets the pace for the price of XRP. These days, both the USDT and the USDC are ending the day up %, in case you want to know more. This has been out for a while from Sensei. I've been telling him he's mistaken for a while now. I don't like to tell him that, but he asks, are you prepared to move on to phase? I don't think we're there yet. If phase is when Ethereum will outperform Bitcoin, and there are a lot of discussions about the flipping the price of Bitcoin has not yet dropped. You're in for a great treat if you believe that Bitcoin is finished since it broke dollar after all the guaranteed lock-on. Bitcoin isn't even over dollar. I think it rises, it reaches, and it may even look at to Bitcoin's parabolic blow off top has not yet occurred. The only reason we've been pampered is that before the halving event earlier this year, the price of Bitcoin had reached a new all-time high. Where did that come from? Very easy ETFs for Bitcoin. This is far from being finished. Because of that, it still hasn't risen and begun its tremendous movement. The next target to lock in Bitcoin will probably be around dollar. That's what we're looking at. As for you, I have no idea. I'm so excited that I can't hold it in. I can't wait for it to break out. We know that as Bitcoin rises, the altcoin markets will follow suit. When Bitcoin is done, all of its money will disappear and be replaced with another cryptocurrency, just like altcoins. According to a liquidation alert we received, XRP is trading at about $1. We don't want to see that because we want the price to keep going up. We want to see these shorts liquidated. The short squeezes on all of these shorts will be eliminated if we raise the price above $1. Many people think that XRP doesn't have enough steam left in its tank to drive it past $1. As soon as we surpass $2, we'll have reached that point at $1. We'll make that push. Keep in mind that the current all-time high is right at the $1 level, even though many people would like to say it was around that amount. This is not accurate. There is no link between the South Korean won and the USD price on Twitter. People like Joel Katz have often said and claimed that the highest price for XRP during a bull run was around $1. That is why we are looking at that really strong area of resistance. As Cassie showed me her graph, I found it interesting. She said that the third wave of XRP updates is getting stronger. With volume and RSI at very high levels, XRP has overcome several local resistances, and there is still more room for growth. This wave has yet to reach its destination. As we already know, Wave 3 is the cycle's biggest wave and is made up of 5 separate waves. The goal is to get the price as high as possible so that everyone can participate. While the extension is a common goal for even market makers, it often goes further, hitting the and. These are your main goals after this. If we hit that, we'd be looking at $1 XRP. And if we hit $1 fib, we'd be looking at $6. We can keep an eye on all of these possible goals. Let's go beyond 3. All of those shorts should be settled. Shorts are bad, so let's get rid of them from the market. They are trying to keep the price of XRP low. Let's get rid of them altogether and keep going. It's that easy. Then we get to this credit, which is my favorite gift. I will take it out every time the price of XRP goes up. As of late last night or early this morning, he posted this and he said, the current price of XRP is $1. He has set a target of $2 on XRP. Right now we're seated at our goal is to reach. Look, I'll be honest. I'm not sure whether I can hold this thing for very long. It can reach $1 to $1. I'm hoping for a clean straight shot where we hit double digits before it starts to tear. I had every intention of setting my departure at $2. I was given $1 to exit strategy. We will have a moonshot when this thing penetrates my objective and enters the double digit area, so I'll have to go back and make a backup plan. Right here is where I need to begin making my new escape plan. How can I show that it's simple? I am going to open the old version of Microsoft Excel. I will start by listing the prices that will go up from $1 to $1 XRP. I'll be very happy if I can start making more than $1 and get a good chunk of money between $1 and $1, along with becoming a full-time streamer and content creator. Rip plans to enjoy and the rest of his life. No more alarm clocks, no more getting up early. Since I enjoy it, I will continue to get up early. Because I like posting my information publicly. Next we see Uphold, who has about $1 billion XRP in their wallet right now. That's a huge amount. Insider, we've seen that a few of these bigger accounts have started to tweet about XRP and promote it. He says this thing is going to go over $1 and rise even further. In the first morning video, we showed you this graph that shows that million XRP were bought the day before. People are piling up on XRP for a reason. Chad included this in the size of XRP flows that exploded when the official launch in the West was announced, with support from powerful people at the Federal Reserve, the FDIC, and the Government Bank of India. You can see everyone filling up. Let's talk about this. The Global Special Situation Funds want SBI holdings to maximize value and be open about Bitcoin. What did he talk about in this room that is similar to the way MicroStrategy works in the US? Global Special Situations investment managers advise SBI to take into account an XRP buyback program to further leverage its blockchain assets. It claims that SBI may considerably reduce the difference between its market value and its projected NAV of trillion Japanese yen by implementing these measures. Trillion, do you know what they're discussing here to further leverage its investment? They are discussing a program for the buyback of XRP. MicroStrategy is employing a similar tactic. What are they doing? They repurchase additional XRP. Their NAV is lowered as they repurchase more XRP. As a result, they ultimately receive the best deal. They make the maximum profit when this monster rises. They are doing more than simply sitting on their possessions. They will continue to fill the bag, support the ecosystem, and drive the price of XRP upward, people, because that is what we want to see. That's what we will receive. I'm telling you right now, that will be a year like no other, so buckle up.